Now that I've added some more plumbing for an outdoor shower, which is this here, I've tapped into what was existing, and that runs all the way around to here, where it goes outside, and that's where the outdoor shower is. I need to pressure test it, so I've crimped it all with the neighbour's crimpers, and yeah, we need to make sure that each crimp is completely watertight and that I haven't missed any. So I'm going to put pressure on the system and see if any leaks come up. And it's really important to put caps on all the fittings, otherwise they'll just gush water. So here we have water in, and so I've just put that fitting on it, and then I'm just going to plug a hose up into that, turn it on, and hopefully that's good enough. So this connection in here, the camera can focus on that. I must have broken when I put it in. I had a feeling that I did. And so that one was gushing water everywhere, which is why everything's wet. And then I pulled this out and it just all over me. So that was very funny actually. I wish I'd got on video. Anyway, oh, and this tap was left on, so it was just anyway, I'll try and do things again. Fortunately I have another one of these, so I might be able to replace it if I can't fix it. We'll see. I think I over tightened this one and it broke. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. No, wait, what? Righty. I always get that confused. I think that's right. So I can argue that this is righty tighty, but that this is also going right. Stupid saying. Oh, you douche. Stick on there. Is that loosening? I have no idea. I do not know. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I don't know. Test it again. These blue caps here do a much better job of closing off the thing for when you're doing a pressure test. Compare that to the black ones that I've got around here, which I think is probably cheaper. They're dripping away. And when it drips like that, it's hard to see what's actually leaking, because obviously water's supposed to come out of those. But yeah, so I'm gonna wind some tape on that and hopefully close it up a bit better. All of these seem to be pretty good. Yeah, I will. Let's open this up. Now it's a bit of an experiment to see which end it's going to come out of, because I don't actually know. I'm going to hold this here. Stand too close to that. Right, let's see which one. That one. That's letting all the air out basically. So all the air out of the hot. Right, all the air's out of the hot, that's good. All the air out of the cold. All the air's out of the cold, that's good. And then actually I should probably, so that facing upwards means that it's, the water's coming to this now, I think. Hot, that's all cold. Cool. Check that bad boy on. So we've just let all the air out of the pipes so that we know there's water in here. That's a bit wiggly, I might fix that down. These are okay. Whole thing's a bit wiggly. Oh well. Anyway, this is, yeah, this is the water. Whew. Still got a bit in there, but this is going to the bath. In here, none of these connections are leaking yet either, which is good. So we're just going to leave the pressure on for at least a day and see if any leaks start to develop, and then after that I'll be able to finish this off and it'll be happy days. I've finished doing the pressure test now. I'm pretty confident that all of these connections are not leaking. And so now I'm ready to lag the pipes, which is what I've already done. So basically we're just insulating them to make sure that they stay hot and stay cold, and so that we don't get any condensation happening on cold pipes and things like that inside the wall, which would eventually lead to mold. And yeah, that's what I'm about to do. It's really easy, fairly cheap, and in my opinion well worth doing. Don't know if I'm doing as good a job as I did last time.